Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a shirt pattern for your cosplays. The character that I made this pattern for is Aizawa Shouta, a pro hero Eraserhead from My Hero Academia. I chose to make his shirt pattern as opposed to buying it due to how easy it is to make a pattern with the right materials. You will need wrapping paper, a t-shirt that fits, scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, and a marker. Take the t-shirt and flip it inside out with the seams visible and lay it down on the wrapping paper. Use extra objects if needed to prevent the paper from curling. Use the marker to trace around the t-shirt. Make sure the seams are laying flat or else you will get the wrong size. Once the pattern has been traced, cut out the paper. You now have the main body of the pattern, but his shirt needs sleeves. Trace around the armpit area of the shirt pattern and make sure the curves are connected in the center. Use the ruler and measure the length of your arm and wrist. My arm is 22 inches, so I made my sleeve 24 inches for seam allowance and to give it a bit of an oversized look. I also have a small wrist at about 7 inches, but I decided on a 10-inch length around the smallest part of the pattern to emphasize the oversized look. When you have finished with the pattern, label it with the character, outfit piece, month, and year for organization, so if you find it in the future, you'll know what you used it for. Another advantage to using this method is that it is super easy to store these patterns once you are done. Here is a final look at the shirt I made. I used a knit fabric with a bit of a stretch, and as seen on the mannequin, it creates a nice symmetrical shirt. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more cosplay related content in the future. This is Amelia Luna signing off.